Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Finland Academy. My name is Pratik. Today I'm conducting this session on live trading lab. So today we are go ahead. We first check the market momentum, and after we are today go ahead with one of the indicator which commonly use for all successful traders. And these successful traders are use this indicator. The name of the indicator KST, and the full form of the KST, no sure thing. And Martin Pring is one of the research he developed this tool, and after once I complete the price action, then we go ahead and check with the indicator part, and these indicator how we can apply on the day trading and for a swing trading. Fine. I got one question from Nitish ji. What is the agenda? So Nitish ji, the agenda for live trading lab, we don't have give you any tips during the live trading lab session. We just have the observation, whatever technical analysis we are gone through, we are practically implemented, and along with our the practical implementation, so we have to find out the trade. The whole motto to just remove your fear for your day trading, and along with the technical analysis, you can take the entry and exit. That's the motto of the starting this live trading lab. Is that fine, Nitish ji? फॉर हिरेन, ये सेशन हम लोगों ने इसके लिए स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, लाइक जो भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, जो भी डर लगता है फॉर अ डे ट्रेडिंग पर्पस के लिए, तो ये डे ट्रेडिंग पर्पस का एक फियर रिमूव करने के लिए ये लाइव ट्रेडिंग लैब सेशन हम लोग कंडक्ट करते हैं। एंड इसके अंदर हम लोग कोई टिप्स एडवाइस, वी आर नॉट गिविंग एनी टिप्स एंड एडवाइस। द होल मोटो टू यूज योर टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, और उसके बेसिस पे हम लोग एंट्री और एग्जिट डिसाइड करते हैं। इज दैट फाइन हिरेन जी? Yes, Vinay ji, it's your day trading means your intraday trading. So the first we check with the today's data market. So this is our MTrade platform, MTrade software, where we can utilize our technical parts and we can take the decision for market entry, exit along with your stop loss and the target. So first we check with the Nifty. Looking at the chart, Gretz, can you please tell me, good morning, Shripaji. So can you just tell me what is the trend Nifty following now? It's your uptrend, downtrend, or sideways after a massive gap up opening? Again, I repeat my question. This is your line chart of your Nifty 50 after your gap up opening. So can you please tell me what was the Nifty trend follow now? It's a uptrend, downtrend, or sideways? Very good, Rajat, Ketan, Mr. Flo, Rabilo, Pramod, Nitish, Hiren. Yes, Arvindji, it's a uptrend correction. So basically, I use a Japanese candle and I convert the Japanese candle to the line chart to identify the trend. And here, what we found after the gap up opening, market are moves into the downtrend phase. So after the gap up opening, market are try to fill this gap. So today we have the two levels. If I want to take the entry, so the first entry point is today's high point. It's 11,369, and the second entry point I can take from this level, which take the day low around 11,341. So this call your Vinay ji purely price action. So if I want to read the price action of Nifty 50 on 5-minute time frame chart, I have a range for today's observe the full day from start from 10 o'clock to 3:30. I have a two range now. It's the first range for act as a resistance is 11,369, and the next support take around 11,341. So market takes support around this level, and the resistance for hold is 11,369. So you can predict the Nifty if they break the level, definitely it show the any trend change movement. Is that fine, Vinayji? So it's purely your price action. And today, if the break also 11,341, now it's we can start this support is act as your resistance, and market start falling into the downtrend phase only. फॉर हिरेंजी लाइक ये जो प्राइस चार्ट हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ किया हुआ है फॉर निफ्टी 50 लाइन चार्ट, तो यहाँ पे ये दो रेंज है फॉर अपर साइड मूवमेंट इज 11,369। इफ ये लेवल अगर ब्रेक हो जाता है सो वी विल डेफिनेटली प्रिडिक्ट इट शुड बी अ ट्रेंड चेंज इवेंट फॉर निफ्टी after the gap up opening some small correction and for upper side movement and definitely for the lower side movement if market take the support around 11,349 and if this support is break then definitely it goes reversal trend like we can call as a rule reversal act as a support it's become a new resistance for nifty. तो यहाँ पे ये टू जो लेवल्स दो जो लेवल्स है फॉर अपर साइड मूवमेंट हिरेंजी 11,369 और 11,341 ये बहुत क्रुशियल लेवल है फॉर डे ट्रेडिंग पर्पस. So you can just observe these levels for throughout the your start from 9:15 to 3:30 and most of the grad have faced the difficulties which stocks we have choose for a day trading. So before we go ahead, grads, can you please let me know how many grads want to become a day trader? Kindly give me the confirmation with yes and no. Want to become a day trader or intra trader? Yes. So 90% trader, 90% of the grads who attend prospects who attend this session, they want to become a day trader. Very good question by Vinay ji. Like if throughout the day, if very good during the live session, we are practically see if the level is break, it take the new low, making the trend should be a full-fledged downtrend. Is that fine, Vinay ji? If you found that now 11,341 market are tried to break that level, so support is become a new resistance. So you can set the alerts whenever these will break. You can take the short trade. So most of the traders have motto to become a day trader, but somehow they are not get a very good stocks into their bucket, and they have to hold the stocks for the next day. So they become a day trader into your swing trader or it's a positional trader. So make sure how the stock selection and which stocks you have to select. That's very important when you choose your trading style as a day trading. So we have this feature in the MTrade software where we can go to the value adds and the option is market summary. Once you click on the market summary, one window is appeared and he give you all NSE number of stocks. Or one more question is important. Grads, you all decided to do a intraday trading. Those are give me a reply with yes. Can you just tell me how many stocks are listing in NSE, National Stock Exchange? Because you all are decided to go for a day trading. So I hope you all aware how many stocks are included in the NSE. I'm talking about the NSE, not I'm talking about the Nifty 50. Very good, Nitish. So I'm not the name who are giving me a wrong answer. I take a name only who give me the right answer. Anandji, very good. So those trader want to become a day trader. Make sure how many stocks are listing in NSE. National Stock Exchange have the 5,000 number of stocks. So just note down on your notepad or anywhere else. Shrikantji, its total number of stocks is 5,000. In these 5,000 stocks, if I want to find out a top trading stocks, best 20 and the worst 20, I don't want to require the best 20 and worst 20 because most of the time it's a spikes because the stocks we never hear. These all stocks come under the top best 20 stocks and the worst 20 stocks. We have to observe whole NSE have a 5,000 number of stocks and we have to find out the top trading stocks. So in these top trading stocks, we got a Titan, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Tata Steel, Cipla, Axis Bank. So these all stocks come under the top trading stocks at that moment. Morning around 9:15 to 10:15, that's 1 hour, is for high volatility during the market. Once these volatilities come under the neutral phase, then you can open this market summary feature. Here you have just click on the save to group. Give the name of your group, the day trading stocks for 11th August. And the full day you have to observe the which stocks is performer almost out of 5,000 stocks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 22. So we got almost 22 stocks for a day trading purpose. So I hope we are talking about and we are discuss about market take the 11,341 support. And have you checked that market are not try to break that level? It's just come near about that line and against market are trying to pull off. I hope you all just watch these lines. So the most important question for a day trader, how we can choose the stocks. So now we have this feature of market summary. All NSE they are just filter out जो बेस्ट स्टॉक्स है जो टॉप ट्रेडिंग स्टॉक्स है जहाँ पे हेवी मोमेंटम अवेलेबल है हेवी वॉल्यूम अवेलेबल है सो वी हैव टू डू अ ट्रेड विद these heavy volume stocks and top trading stocks at that moment. Is that fine with everyone? Now it's very easy for a day trading perspective. The number of stocks you already filtered out. Now you have to choose the stocks between these 22 stocks out of full NSE. These all the momentum stocks. Is it fine with everyone? Yes, no? Guru, you have any question? Guruji, like we have the market summary option in this MTrade software, where this is unique features we are loaded in the software, where they will give you a market summary, and market summaries can filter out all full NSE 5,000 stocks, and they will give me a top trading stocks at that moment, whether it's a upside or downside. I got the number of stocks; it's 22 stocks, so we just filter out the stocks. Yeah, sure, Shrikantji. I just close this market summary. It's available features on value adds. Go to the market summary. Once you click on the market summary, we have this option top trading best 20 worst 20. Then select the top trading stocks and option is save to group. Is that fine, Shrikantji? Once you click on the save to group, they ask you the give the name of your group. Just mention the top trading stocks for 11th August and add. Very good, Shrikant. So market take the support around that level and again come back on the reversal trade. So now we are yes Guruji, this feature is available on MTrade only. So now we are go ahead with the indicator which we are tasked to complete today. It's the KST indicator, and the full form of the KST indicator is no sure thing. So the KST indicator is a momentum indicator the momentum based indicator. That is the part of oscillator family. Second thing, the KST indicator is developed by Mr. Martin Pring. Like all momentum indicators can help the traders finding the buy and the sell signal. Like all the momentum indicators. So the important thing, what we have to watch and following the KST method, it is important to have, we have to follow the crossovers of signals. Second, bullish and bearish divergence. The fourth, it's overbought and the oversold. Then they're reading the crossovers of the central line. Yeah, Anandji, definitely we'll elaborate this indicator once I have to first complete these slides. Is that fine, Anandji? The explanation and the observation start with now what we have to observe in the indicator. A buy signal is triggered when the no sure thing crosses a below zero line. If KST moving average hold below the zero line, a bullish trend is confirmed. when the sell signal is triggered, and the no sure things process above the zero line into the downside direction. So if EST moving averages hold above the zero line, then it's a confirm a bearish trend. And time frame we use daily, 1 minute and 15 minute and 60 minute. So prospects and the grads take the snapshot of the screen. And now we are go ahead with the practical presentation. So kindly once you all have taken the snapshot of the screen, the above portion, the camera icon is there. Take the snapshot of the screen for your future reference. And once you all have done to taken the snapshot, kindly give me the reply with yes, no. Great. So all you take a screenshot of the screen. I get the confirmation from the prospects. Now we just minimize the screen. I hope during the session it's we start around 10:05 and we are take the support around 11,341. Have you noticed that these things market take the support around 11,341? I hope you all remember. Yes, no. So market take the support around this level. Here, if you are a day trader and your prospect is purely day trader, if you found that if I take the entry around this level 11,341, just imagine almost we spend 20-30 minutes only, and these 30 minutes we almost get 23 points. It's called you are purely a day trader. They have the motto to wait for take for 20 to 25 points per trade and whole full day since 9:15 to 3:30. If you got this kind of trade setup, almost 3 or 4 setup for 20 points, almost you get the 100 points. If you take the 5 trades per day, and if you get 3 trades or 4 trade per day with these small setups or small points 20, almost you get the 80 points. So the whole motto to elaborate you for a day trader perspective, you take this very small trades. Along with the small trades, you can just book your profit and collect the number of points for your day trading perspective and the agenda for a day trader. You have to collect the small trades along with the small points, but the bigger picture is what? That end of the day, you have to make your money almost 80 to 90 points. And once you create these 80 to 90 points, then only you become a successful trader. If you take the weekly average, so it's give you very good returns along with your weekly. If you calculated the every day, if you point 70 to 80 point, if you are gaining every day for a weekly, you can approximately 350 points and get approximate the 70 point per day multiply by 5, so almost it's 300 points. So now we just remove these levels, again go back to the daily time frame chart, and we have to add the indicator, the name of the indicator KST. So right click, study manager, click on add, and select the name of the indicator KST. It's a no sure thing. Do not change anything from the parameter sites. It's a default, you can select. And the next step, add. The interpretation is what? We have checked the crossovers. The zero line is play very important role. So the zero line, below the zero line, if crossover happen, we take the entry. जो भी हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया है यहाँ पे, ये ऑब्जर्वेशन और ये जो थेरी अभी मैंने जो रिटर्न में लिखा हुआ था, तो इसका हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन है द ग्रीन लाइन एंड रेड लाइन कट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन बिलो द जीरो लाइन. सो अगर ये जीरो लाइन के नीचे अगर क्रॉसओवर हो रहा है, देन डेफिनेटली वी टेक द एंट्री. सिमिलरली फॉर द डाउन साइड, ये क्रॉसओवर ग्रीन और रेड ऊपर के साइड से नीचे क्रॉस कर रहा है, देन विल टेक द सेल पोजीशन. So now we first check with the 60-minute time frame, 60, and we can try to figure out entry and exit. So this is my 60-minute chart. We already have the zero level line. So I take the entry when this crossover happen below zero line, green line cut red line in upside direction. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये एक entry raise हो जाती है. But यही same चीज, ये crossover अगर ये zero line के ऊपर अगर होता है, so this is not ideal signal to take the entry. सो मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, ये जीरो लेवल के नीचे अगर क्रॉस ओवर हो रहा है अपसाइड का, तो ही हम लोग एंट्री लेंगे. सिमिलरली अगर मुझे सेल करना है, सो वी शुड वेट टू ब्रेक द क्रॉस ओवर्स अबाउट द जीरो लाइन. सो मैं यहाँ पे वेट करूंगा ये जीरो लाइन के ऊपर ये जो क्रॉस ओवर हो रहा है ग्रीन लाइन टू कट रेड लाइन इन डाउन साइड डायरेक्शन, तभी मैं पोजिशन शॉर्ट करूंगा यहाँ पे. सो अलॉन्ग विद दिस स्ट्रेटेजी और सेटअप वी कैन क्रिएट आवर ओन सिग्नल. So right click, study manager, click on add, and filter part, we have to put the signals crossover. So we can generate our own signal. We have the input line 1, input line 2. So you can choose accordingly. Input line 1 is KST, second last one, and input line 2, it's the last one. Now on your chart, it's automatically pop up, give you buy and the sell indication. So here is my buy signal. So the date mentioned, it's a 4th of August. We got the intimation of buy. Vijay, yeah, Vinay ji, this KST indicator is the green and red line. So there's the red line is your average line of 9 days along with the KST indicator. Is that fine, Vinay ji? We have a two set of line, the green line and the red line. So the green line is 10, 50, 20, 30. It's your KST indicator, and the red line is your 9 days of average. Is that fine, Vinay ji? Yes, sure, Surya. Again, for Surya, again I repeat the step. Right click, study manager. First remove these two. So Surya, what we have to do, just right click on the chart, click on the study manager, click on add, select the KST indicator, double click, don't change from the parameter side, increase the thickness only. Next step, add. Is that fine, Surya? Is that fine, Guruji? Yeah, sure, Surya. So next part, as a signal crossover, right click, study manager, click on add, and here you can generate your own signals. So put the signal crossover. So click on the signal crossover. We have input line 1, input line 2. So select the input line 1 as a second last and input line 2, the last one. Is that fine, Surya? And add. Is it fine, Surya? Yeah, sure, Pragya. Just right click on your. Yes, Vinayji. When the buy and the sell signal is appear, we have to watch the this zero line. We are not take the entry and exit with only help of this signal. We take the entry and exit along with this zero line crossover only. That's very important to see this indicator. Is that fine, Vinayji? So we are not directly trade the buy and the sell signal. Like if you take the this buy signal is pop up on 28th of July, but we are not take the entry. Why we are not take the entry? Because this crossover happen above zero line. So Vinay ji, we take the entry when this cross the buy signal is pop up along with the crossover happen below zero line. Is that fine, Vinay ji? Great. Is that fine, Pragya? If you're an aggressive trader, if you refer a 5 minute time frame, so here you just take the signals buy and the sell. So very important. The zero line confirmation is very important for this prospect. Yeah, sure, Surya. Again, I repeat this method. Like this crossover, when we take the entry, the crossover happen below zero line, then only we take the entry. Similarly, for a exit, if above zero line, this crossover happen, then only we take the sale entry. So this is we get one example on Nifty, 5 minute time frame chart from yesterday's chart to today's. So I got the sell indication and one buy indication. Is that fine, Pragya? Again, you use the 60-minute time frame. Now, very good question by Samiksha. Ki what stop loss we have to take? So, very good question. We have one more feature to take the support and resistance band. So here we plot a support band. The candle is ERC or NRC? Reds, can you please tell me the particular candle where is the buy signal is pop up? It's ERC candle or NRC candle? So ERC means expanded range candle and the NRC is narrow range candle. So can you please tell me the candle type? Yes, Samishka, it's an NRC candle. So we take the 100% of this candle and you can take the stop loss of this particular level. Is that fine, Samishka? So Samiksha, you have the stop loss around 11,073 and 11,037 and the stop loss is around 4th of August. The rest of the prospect, most of the prospect who attend this session first time live trading lab, I request you all during the session, if I skip any one of the question, after the session, you can consult with your concern RM or kindly connect with me. I'm available to give you answers. Is that fine with the prospect to join this session? Because I see here most of 2-3 questions I skip because of in my flow I'm not able to give you answer. So is that fine with the prospect to attend this session? After the session, is it possible to you all to clarify your queries? Prospects, can you please let me know? Yes, no, Guruji? So those who have any questions after the session, you can connect with me. Fine. So Samiksha, we take the support level around when the buy signal is pop up. So this is a support for 60 minute. Now I check on this 10-minute chart or 15-minute chart. If you check the support, almost it take the support of 4th of August 2020. The 4th August we get the support band. Still 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 7, 10 and 11. My stop loss is not hit. So definitely I can use a trailing stop loss and just put my trade hold my trade for a couple of days. So this is you can use the setup for swing trading. We can take one stock here, SDFC. So this SDFC stock, if I found that the sell signal along with the crossover almost 1 2 3 4 5 last couple of weeks, it's have the sell indication only. So we can just check these stocks on 60-minute time frame. So 60-minute time frame, I got the indication. So here is my buy signal, but I take the support around this level, this first candle. So SDFC Bank take the support around 1031 and 1000. Almost it's come under the support band for 4th August, 5th August, 6th August, 7th August. So it act as a support whenever they are try to come at that level. Again the bounce back. And the support is what? KST indicator below zero line. They give you intimation. It's a good take entry price. So the support band, whenever they are try to come to check that support against your SDFC, again bounce back, again check, again bounce back. Is that fine, Samiksha? Fine. Again, I go to the Nifty, remove all these tools. And now we have the feature of backtesting of this KST indicator. So Abhishek, today we are not run the scanner, but we have run the backtest, the strategy. How the KST indicator is giving me a cumulative profit is very important. That cumulative profit is nothing but your strategy backtesting. Take the snapshot, Mr. Suprimto. So these come under your all stop loss around 1000 and 1003, 1031 and 1003. Is that fine, Mr. Supranto Dev? Now we go ahead and check the daily time frame, and now we are use a backtesting feature, and these backtesting features we have to just find out and fine tune whether this parameter and these setup how much cumulative profit will give me, and the whole concept of doing the backtesting to check whether my strategy is work out very how much returns it will give me. The assumption is what last 1 year before I put 1 lakh rupees. These all are the terms. It's all customized. So last 1 year I put 1 lakh rupees with this setup, and how much cumulative profit is give me. That's your call as the strategy testing or back test. Start with doing the back testing. Right click study manager. We already add two indicators KST and signal crossover. Along with we use the strategy pro. I'm aware that those prospects are new for this session. Just look and feel what kind of feature we have this mTrade. Don't compare with any free platforms which are available in the market, which don't give you these kind of features, back testing, your strategy testing along with the fine tune. So now next add. If you check the backtesting result, the right side corner, they give me the cumulative profit, and this cumulative profit is nothing but your overall profit. So it give the value, it's a 2,17,000. You can check with Nifty also. So here Nifty I got almost 1,84,000. So these all come under the cumulative profit and the strategy testing. So today just hide the strategy now. We use this strategy testing feature and backtesting for check out my strategies workout me or for workout or not workout for me. You can check with the stocks. So I have to just hide the strategy EM for backtesting because today we have to just generate the signal crossover. Is that fine, Surya and Pragya? The agenda to check this strategy only. Gunjanji, today we only use the signal crossover. Is that fine, Gunjanji? We have to just generate the signals only. Fine. So now I have to use the agenda for a day like bulk trade. Most of the traders have their mindset, okay, which stocks is bulk buying and the bulk selling. That we have the feature in the value adds. It option the bulk trade. So trade is give me the opportunity to finding out the top trading stocks along with the bulk buying and the bulk selling. So the feature is what the quantity I put the 5,000 and I put the order and value is 100 lakh. So if in the setup, if in the market, like I got one stock, it's Titan, and that's bulk trade is nothing but if as a you and me as come under the retail trader, we put order of 10,000 or 5,000 quantity. Here is one of the trader who, as a big guys or institution guys, they are start with the bulk trading almost 356 lakh rupees. That's a single trade of Titan. The feature is you can start from morning 9:50 onwards. There is a bulk buying and the bulk selling. If any one of the stocks have that opportunity to creating up the heaviest buying, so Titan I got here to have almost 3 lakh of trade. So it's all, you can just check the chart of your Titan, and here also you can find out since last couple of candles of 5 minute time frame chart, it continuously moving into upside direction. So basically the bulk buying and bulk selling we are used to find out the top trading stocks along with the big buying and big selling. So now I found that the Titan, SDFC, Cipla. So here we can found the quantity more than 5,000 quantity and the value is generate 356 lakh. So just imagine the 356 lakh rupees. It's a single order only. Like we, you and me, like a put a trade of 10 quantity, 20 quantity, or 50 quantity. Here is one of the investor or trader and the big guys who start pulling the bulk buying and the bulk selling purpose, institution buying and the institution selling. Titan brought around this level. Now it's a start IndusInd Bank. Someone selling this quantity around 19,964 and value it generate around 102 lakhs. So they are keep give you updation where is the bulk buying and the bulk selling happen. Now I think Reliance have the bulk buying starting. So very informative bulk trade where we can find out the big guys or the institution guys where they start with the buying and the selling. The feature is available on the value adds, bulk buy and the bulk sell. Very good question by Mahesh ji. Can you just mention the name also? So this is not allowed by exchange to put the name of the big guys or FI, which one is traded this kind of quantity. So the name not mentioned. Otherwise, along with the time and the rate and the quantity and the value only we have allowed to show you. So that's why in the software we have the filter out the 5,000 quantity and value more than 100 lakh is traded. Then we can filter out the number of stocks. Is it fine, Anandji? So Hiren ji, I hope आपने ये पूरा session go through किया होगा. So what was your opinion? This is very informative software. Along with you can predict the trend. So here is my Nifty, and last couple of 4 candles before it give me the intimation of sell along with the KST indicator. I hope these signals are pop up in front of you and they all happen above zero line. So prospect, I share you one number. Is from the sales team. So if you're interested for these kind of software or anything about the program, want to discuss, so I just share you one contact number. So kindly connect with him, connect with her. Is that fine with Hiren? I just share you one contact number. Kindly connect with the concerned person so you can get all the details regarding this software, regarding this program. Anandji, we can use this setup for long and short board trading. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you.